For latest updates, please subscribe the Global Mirror YouTube channel.
Evacuation orders were expanded Tuesday for a growing wildfire driven by intense winds that shut down a key southern California highway for more than a day. At least 200 firefighters battled the Alasal fire, which had scorched 8,000 acres along coastal Santa Barbara County and remained completely uncontained. The fire erupted Monday on a ridge and blasted toward the ocean, forcing closure of US 101, the only major highway on the section of the coast. There's a lot of dead, decayed and receptive fuel beds in the area where this fire started, said Andrew Madsen, a public information officer with Los Padres National Forest, who noted the area where the fire started hadn't burned in decades. Evacuation orders have been issued for residents in Refugio Canyon and the EI Capitan State Park and EI Capitan campground are closed, while hundreds of homes, ranches and other structures remain under threat. Strong winds with gusts reaching up to 70 mph drove the fire down to the ocean and prevented aircraft from battling the blaze from above, officials said. It's been a hectic fire season, Madsen said. Firefighters have worked tirelessly this year, deployed on weeks-long assignments, peppered with only a few days of rest. But the good news is a lot of the fires up north are being contained, he added, so they have shared resources, so they have been available to come assist on this fire. In Northern California, fire crews increased containment of a blaze that destroyed 25 mobile homes, 16 RVs and a park building at the Rancho Marina RV Park in Sacramento County. At least 20 structures were still threatened, according to the River Delta Fire District. No injuries were reported and the cause remained under investigation. The south in San Joaquin County, a man suffered burns and about 5 mobile homes were damaged by flames that raced through the Islander Mobile Home Park. Lathrop Manteca Fire Chief Joe Scopper told Fox 40 TV the injured man suffered severe third-degree burns over most of his body, Capper said. Close to 2 acres have burned already this year in California, according to CAL FIRE, with months of potential fire feather left. Autumn typically brings blustery winds that blow hot and dry, and vegetation dried through the hot summer is primed for ignition. Windy weather is a nightmare for firefighters. In a state where heat waves and historic drought tied to climate change have left forest and brush tinder dry, the winds were in full effect through the early part of this week, surging through the state and raising fears of fresh wildfires. Red flag warning of dangerous fire conditions continue in mountains, valleys, canyons and deserts. At least a half dozen fire erupted around the state on Monday. The utility Pacific Gas and Electric shut off power to about 24,000 customers in 40 central and northern California counties to reduce the risk that power lines could be toppled and spark wildfires there. While in the process of restoring service on Tuesday, the utility said it might need to cut power to about 29,000 customers across 19 counties on Thursday because of potential wildfire threat.
For latest updates, please subscribe the Global Mirror YouTube channel.